More kai video way. Ghana had on the 7th of February 2025. Exactly 1 year after sending Mahama Etina Ghana Konyaso. Emma on the 9th of February, Mahama had a crater about Ochiremu said, with immediate effect, Obeshe Amia Bridge and Ediama and Quran any community honomo. His Excellency the President, with the greatest of respect, where is the bridge? What happened to the bridge? Because it's been 1 year, 7 months. Bridge, no, yenye. What happened? Me breaking down, I'm watching, I said, watch the word in Eddie Amame. Ewa comment section. I Penyah blocking the message I said, Didiemo. Obe like if video, no other my subscribe button, some click notification, corner of latest update. Number check the word in the Amame. Ewa comment section. Oba so, no was so ammonia so any be actually. Me come for NGWX Limited, and the amount. All kinds of plumbing works. AB or almost solar panel installation. Power plant installation. If hotel, schools, stores, maybe both the power plant and the solar panel. Baby, up in the over by the amount. You tune so say a boom could be job bonimu. I could tune so the amount. All the others over for NGWX Limited. Anything concerning engineering could be there and found for omo. O sa omo ho a what to start watching. What do you ma akwesi awa? From no me odwuma no ema no odwuma hote. Gan ha bia no ofroma o meba senka. Asuokaw nko for go friend NGWX a. Ekenya ne say ya twuma hama edi. Say kama hama frɛ NGWX a on ba now. Anka omo aye bridge no. Kama kan twima hama edi say da. Let's go to the story. Busia. Our Kairos on 7th February 2025. What a video be pop up on the internet. As any nyina say enkoda mienu bi ene hunu say panyin wo mu no as wafa ketoa no ahye nachi na omu cross the Ayensu River na ebetene befa Asuokow in the eastern region no. Etehu say enkoda bi etwa that Asuokow River na ebetene na fa ono no akọ school amana panyin wo mu na fa ketoa na ahechire ama se bridge omu nam so dua bi na abu ada ho dua na abu no mu di ato omu da no na ye etwene ama enkoda no enam so ko school da bia eba.
Apalawa kumao Penyah ayo watunsun yawo akoma apalawo de wechi no onu usuru asem some video ni asem na say on top that no shit no reach am onu no fit na make us onu na ni o din do shit ni usuru don't ya ze o chao I don't know what Pawe. We no be no wambuna. Obu Penyah. Wambuna. Enya bula we bu eku. This going.
I say video na ehu pa because edua no enso togu so eso vetro ebetimi apa but enkoda is eso ena da bi omunam eco school ema video en efane itself on the internet on the 7th of February 2025. Emma na afia manfo ni bi John conversation won ma ha ma ni de kwan so yesre president the kasa wutie o ya listening president yesre ye bibi fa ho enti on the 9th of February 2025 corner that is 2 days after the video eba ye no ana mahama edit statement eba bonte ana o kire mu say wo hu community kro na enkoda keto mienu bi na no mu ko school no na o mu cross ensuo no video na ba bonte wo hu be that community no wo bomode wo hu no na wo soma ho no MP for Lower West Achim Owen Kwame Frimpong ema no come visit the people of Asuokaw community ho no mo eastern region ni mo with the regional minister oya obabesia with the regional minister honorable Rita Akosua Ajete osoma wo mu ema omu ekọ eho no mo ekosra ehofo no je say omu eden hihye egu akwam de nema egu akwam so that they will work permanently on that bridge twini na ehun say yede edua na to so ankra ne nam so de bia no be ye bibia kama ama ehofo no ni nyina eka in their quest to reset Ghana agenda ni nyina eka ho bi As a Mahama at the Boston same with Ebai, on the 9th of February 2025, ever share Chrome for no ebo. And what he and was soma, the defense minister, called town, no man about my etas, no young. It was one of the defense minister, any other engineers, echo Honomo, as Omunkoye visibility studies, Omunkoye survey, Emian, say, ye per se bridge na. Sena anyway, Omukoye, no video we and about one.
Then go turn this way around. Some will go the other side. So say this one will be background, the other will be background. So Minister, let's women organizer, technical men from the military. Oh, okay. Basic. You know they get the background, they rather come here. Why is it? Okay, so media guy.
Emma and watching no. Just enkura no de umbeda na celebrities na obi akọ hwe enkura no ekwachi omo ekwe videos ema enkura no just say enkura no abia superstars kro de na omo air trend esi obi a ema na from time to time na man for kọ ho no mo ekọ hwe ekọ twitwa pictures ekwe videos ewo ho
Fine sir.
Wait, okay, now we have to say, James Tabiana, no more fantasy. That's not James Science, and then CSTs. Just say, what happened? Yeah, more here, we know how you.
and obi abo Mahama was Mahama the national president okasa wotie because video by in 2 days time and not take action say bridge no obeme aye and you know bridge so ho video na enya bridge kese bia just about 50 meters length 100 meters length 50 meters quite the second hour just about 25 to 30 meters length bridge and e babe the thing we say me dem ha enya bridge bia e twene ma me kan twi e twene ye twene na to so man kra na fa so keke ye twene na to so abankora ne tuma fa so safe abra obi a empanhwe enkoto nsuo manat obi a empanhwe enkonkopira ene se eno etekoded from that thing there from that time no yanti bibia amfa bo bibia nim say na bridge is under construction Mahama abem or hwe ama bridge no na bibia ay come enti ay March mu and almost started the construction of the bridge and from then there ehun update maybe man na ya twen nim say the ba na den ka ya wie eje ekosi 2026 when exactly 1 year 15th February ana amara shako yesa kini obekọ ho akwa say after 1 year because exactly 1 year issue ni by on the 7th of February 2025 ana eneso 15th February 2026 say 1 year pepe or kwa say bridge na just about 25 to 30 meters length bridge kekaye no akwa say team awie ana amara shako ko na busia enkomo kire say bridge no o medudwi ho no na say bedwetwa pictures no eno anu no 1 year nie no yenye
select president of Ghana because meaning say Dr. Mane Buama the late Dr. Mane Buama tiasia and ka bridge we nya adwuma ma no etimunya fanse Dr. Mane Buama ni munyam Eastern region munya ade we fanse Dr. Mane Buama ni munyam because otia simple ne ma soldiers for ebe hweye owu ye de eti Dr. Mane Buama na o cemetery no rebe ho we president na betre te o Facebook ne Twitter say nkra we nti yenya bridge ma omo na nkra ne timi fa no because of omo be share bo so omo be bridge na yentimi fa abiem
no still omo omo share chire
na ya me ya kase kra ne say dua anka da so omo say risky nkra no ye omo fa so kakaka no omo jutwa say dua no so aton
mo kan nkra we ya nkra we no mo video ba abonten a me je say ko 1 year bridge na nkra we ade ni nua hye na chi odi ni twa ko school na nkura ni timi fa no because of omo be share bo so omo be bridge na yentimi fa abiem mo ensuo we ni nsuo a ye nua mema we nkura mienu we ebe fa so no panyi we ni odi ni nua ketwa wi ahye na chi a odi ni ko school
na wo ha ya
school ni wo say
e won say
nti area samoa nyina fa ha say na
ko school na ne ya me ya kase kura ne say dua anka da so omo say risky nkura no ye omo fa so kakaka no omo jutwa say dua no so aton na wedu ebia nkole omo je omo so omo ne next president nti esre no aya bridge na omo ka she omo ababaye no na kura bia nim omo ambeye akwa bi twamu a oto nsuo no bet ye try say anka be save no la bet
anu ye na nsan a ana ma nkwa we dey see ye na
nkwa we dey see ye no 2 months na no so happy
yes obi kura
recent after me check we no bi wagu
ba no mo so mba be bridge no ba ya show mo anim a o mo ntumi amba e kasa ya o me kasa bebre ba ya show mo anim a o mo ntumi amba soja fo ne ba ye e no Mane Buama no o Mane Buama na nkosi obesu nti o mo ba ye na o mo be ka bibia no e no Mane Buama ne de nyame adom o pe ni baby fa ye o man pe ni Mahama yes rew nsuo nu se de nsu na ye na nkola ne fe nsuo mu ye ni obia e wo Ghana ha wa ne ye down nti yes rew brabe ye nsuo nu mankola no brabe ye bridge ni mankola no na nkola no so amofa so nkosua de na omo so omo be ye mpenifo se de wa ye peni nu omo so be ye mpenifo na omo mbo a oman Ghana
mama de eja ye nyina ye papa ba ko pe okaso obeye wa anya ma order say bridge no omo be ye den omo be ye ni de ba na onu kra wada onim say bridge no bibia ye kama
okay
ba ye sre ye papa John Dramani Mahama say bridge no seni ana onim no se sempo de enye kra de nti ami se enye no dua na ayeda wona ayefa so no se si ayeni wo ndi esi a shi ni wo enye o ma ye
President Mahama ye na yefa bridge no so amu be twa amu video ya amu de sene ya mu ocho yesra mu be bridge no ma ye wa si aye ye ko school kra ye ma me na yefa ye she chire no de twa nso no ko school di yesra mu ti mu be bridge ma
when ye nwe answer say e da fon shako e video esa create awareness a positive video no on the 15th of February 2026 this year enti ye ko wura march mu no and obi ti amara shako na so say now no engineers and constructors aba ho a omu se ye adwuma after say okọ ho no mo February no after 1 year ekoya that video no afedi o ma ba ho a omu eye adwuma ene ne amara shako esa akọ no kọ na mpa omu ho no mo a omu eye adwuma Emma community members in so because of that no now no omunya beto about the mama hama ne ade what I say omunya ekeka omunsemo
eti Asuokaw ene yewo yete say contractors aba back to site ne see e behwe say no kure so omo ye adwuma na say ya za ye hanu ne ye bia me be si pillars ne ade adjoin road no eti see enkura ne betimi afa so akọ school at any time atwansuo no
we video no 2 days and omo ba mampeni mahama yeda wase
to ani a ye be connecting straight ti ye fliwa ne ade aba be pie wa pillars 2
President John Dramani Mahama we dey medawase bebre yankopon hirawo
me papa omo ye NDC na me MPP but sisi a me beka NDC
ade
na ebuja from there no ya ansante mpopie bia biem se amasha wo sa call no na engineers e wo so omo ye adwuma no now no akwakosi say what is the update akwakosi ebuja ne tenten eni tietia enyina ne say eye the fourth estate almost a media outlet the fourth estate almost akoye documentary video e wo ho no mo now I think the fourth some motimen kan I think my din kan chat mo e wo mo TikTok account so say me be say can be making use of my content but I will give you credit it is about me permit me but I think my chat mo no anopa no ana kan person me content but I'm chatting out my reply e mo sabe my message my believe comment e wo mo video na say e wo YouTube say me be say making reaction video on interview na mokoye ewo ekruma no no yeah because now no there are some of the bloggers see be find content with my copyright strike into now we are very careful it's the fourth estate if you see this video I've chatted you but I couldn't get access to you that's why but I deem this appropriate senka we say we create awareness into na me for mu video we no the I can be video I reaction it's not me I don't mean to take your property or to steal your project no it's the fourth estate eso ko ho no mo akotwetwe enkomo mako community was okay after time na call ho March mu no ye wo August mu sese na free July mu abere August mu let's all count from March na March April May June July August 5 to 6 months mu so any it is a break like am wo ho kra na that time kama ya wi it now emu nsem no etese busua the fourth estate ekoya to our surprise and to our dismay bridge na March mu omu from Russia cause omra ho no mo na constructors e was as omu ye adwuma engineers e wo omu ye adwuma no say that time do no omu ye na omu Russia call omu koye na omu timi bobo yi bi na ewie ye no eno ano no omu agyae omu agya ne ho omu agya ne wura omu agya ne ho ama as I speak to you now no na de no omu sisi kra no I start to rust just say I start to rust tete a say it is 1 year 7 months a common bridge yentimi nyenwie enya bridge kese ya dan suo bia so eya twini keka ye de across keke ama nkoda afa so keke 1 year 7 months it started 2025 February 2025 o calculate besi August ya eya 1 year 7 months yentumi ya bridge a common bridge yenwie now the funny thing that same 2025 corona Asuokaw eko kotokuom eko ye video bi bridge bia na eya bubu e mo that time no the Ashanti regional minister Ekoy eka say obehwe amia bridge no kwan sima edi be 5 months time bridge no 2025 krona no ye bridge ni ma wo mu
the bridge wey the road minister wa ma mehwa de we ya obetati na obuo tum nipa because we obuo wi anasa kasi di akonia baba bridge na sekura
Amwe je okanu obeye
wani aje
mani aje papa bi
adentia
mani aje pasa kotali ya mayen
finally the president of Ghana John Dramani Mahama His Excellency Kotokuom bridge na ye hwie
vote no ye betintim no wafro
next 4 years
me na me ka kire wo
2025 krona kotokuom fo ye that bridge no e ma wo mu but Asuokaw fo Eastern region fo no 1 year 7 months 1 year 7 months enya bridge kura that kwan na gase bi agese block kwai kotokuom kura mutimi block kwan ye bridge ni wie but we ya dem fi chire keka ya man kura afa so no we are sabre man for kura betimi aye we nya de ye president this DC for kura betimi aye we nya president accept ade we nya president adwuma DC kura betimi aye no regional ministers wo ho DC so kura ade we common we common work wo betimi aye no 1 year 7 months yentimi wie ama we abia sem sebe so are we going to play the people of Asuokaw the fool? Are you going to play them the fool? Or we are going to honor their promise to them? His Excellency, with the greatest of respect, I know as people say that you are a listening president, but things are getting out of hand. You know, sir, what the BB show being sent away near Chira, and you say you're in a coup for them bounds na the Nimaguase, because on the office, anyway said, I do my year in time before I'm so quite we but to corner that one, I do baby and reading. We were not to office on 7 minutes, but budget nearby me, 12 who can you know, told him say, we. But not this economical deal in Semono, but also one fine yet. It is about time one. You may be assessed the Diama contract Biadno. Most many panko fetch and yamremo proper update. And yamu propagandist. Yamremo proper update. Namu who their name echo. But the people of Asuokow, they deserve their share. You made this promise to them, and it must be fulfilled at all costs. Chirawaje mame ewa comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Accra.